lot of three-point shots in the first quarter.
Garcia
Oh,
backpedals for that one to score the first 2 points of this game. As a team, they are definitely struggling, shooting just 29% from that three-point line.
Baltasar.
Ito, maganda tikada, Doc. 57% shooter yan. Pinasok niya ang kanyang tinesting kagad.
Pero sa kanila pa rin yung offensive rebound. Sabay sa poste. Nice pass.
And Justin Arana will make it a 7-0 start para sa Converge.
Three-point shots yung natin pila. Tatlo na yun.
Franklin at the other side. Stop and pop. Three. Good. Champions. Grabe ang kanilang mga pukol. Si Baltasar nakatres na. Si Franklin hinanap din yung kanya. He was a 30% shooter from there back in 2023.
Here for 2 days, one practice with Converge, but his strength as a shooter is something they are eyeing to milk. Dagdag ni assistant coach Franco Atienza.
Converge is now shooting 5 of 7 from the field. 0 for 8 naman ang TNT. Another 3, this time from Mikey.
Four daw. Sa three-point area. Pero sa drive niya, doon nagkaroon ng madaming puntos. Eh, sabi ni William.